So guys, today we are having area shot of Mem Market, which is the biggest market in West Africa. So we are currently flying the drone because we haven't been able to do so for a very long time in Onitsha, especially in any market in Onitsha. So the season is fast approaching, so it's gonna get busier with the market. So we decided to just take a tour, especially the drone shot of this market. So most people doesn't even know that the market, which is the main market, is bordered by the river Niger. So most of the structures you can see here was built on water. It was sand-filled, and these structures, which this particular place is called Onitsha Plaza, so to say. So most of these structures were built on water that has been sand-filled. So guys, if you see any of the streets you know, or if you notice any of the lines as it's being called, just kindly leave a comment in the comment section. So we'll just show you guys around the market. So in this view is the outskirts of the market, okay, because we flew the drone up, so that I want my viewers, our fans, to actually, if you are familiar with Mem Market, just point out where you know in the video. Wanted everybody to have the feel of Onitsha Mem Market. So yeah, so this is another cluster. As you can see how busy it is. It's always busy in this market. Mem Market Onitsha enjoys patronage from all over West Africa. People coming from Sierra Leone, people come from Mali, people come from Niger, people come from Ghana, you know, just to restock in Mem Market Onitsha. You know, it's one of the most busiest market you can find anywhere, populated by blacks, you know. So people, you see a lot of plazas, a lot of shopping complexes. There's so many things. You have to go to different sections, name it. There's a lot. There's nothing really you can get in Mem Market Onitsha apart from human parts. You know, so yeah, just if you haven't been here for your shopping experience, you really have to visit Mem Market Onitsha. It's so big, so big, like you can't even walk around it unless you want to faint. You know, it's so big. You can imagine all this is inside the market. All these buildings you are seeing, the banks, so many institutions, the police post. Oh, it's one of the biggest, you know, I have seen personally.
Onitsha group, Onitsha group. Yeah, but I'm the rule. All right. Okay, I hear the sheep.
I had the sheep over there and that's now.
Yeah.
But then you might not. Select your polo.
Giorgio of the money. Morning.
Nigerian